that I have a review on the Amazon list. This is a vegan keratin treatment. They did send me this for a review purpose, and I will tell you guys my experience with it. This is a 3-step system, and it comes with 3 little bottles like this. This was enough for me to do 1 treatment. I do have pretty long hair. It's probably halfway down my back. That's going to depend on the length of your hair and also the thickness. I do have long hair, but it is pretty thin. Here to the side, I'm going to show you guys a video of me actually doing the process. The first thing that you're going to do is shampoo the hair 1 or 2 times with the shampoo that they actually have in the kit. And then after you shampoo it, you're going to let it dry, probably like 80% dry. It's still going to be a little bit damp. And what I did was use gloves, because they do say that this product is very strong. And I did use a brush to actually brush this on so it didn't touch my scalp. And you can find little brushes like that at Sally's Beauty Supply. It's probably like $1 or so. And then I just put the mask into a bowl and divided my hair out from there. So you'll see that I divided my hair especially into quadrants to go little by little. And once you section the hair and apply the product, you do want to avoid the scalp. That's one of the reasons that I highly recommend using a brush to apply this. And then I left into my hair for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you're going to rinse this out and just blow dry your hair and flat iron it. And the difference in the hair is absolutely amazing. I will be showing before and after pictures, and you can definitely see how much more beautiful, less frizzy, and just like overall sleek my hair looks. I actually did this before I went on vacation. I was on vacation for almost like 2 weeks, and I feel like this really helped helped dry my hair faster. It helped my hair be more slick straight, so it was easier for me to do my hair when I was on vacation because of the fact that I already had this treatment in. And every time I would like wash it, then to blow dry it, there was days that all I did was blow dry it and it looked like I had flat ironed my hair. And I'll try to post pictures around here so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I was blown away by the results. I have worked with this company Nutri before and really enjoyed their Botox treatment, and I've actually bought the Botox treatment on my own as well because it's really that great. And they do have different kits available. If you're vegan, this is a great way to go, but they do have other ones available on their website, which I will link down below. I absolutely love these kinds of treatments. They're at-home treatments. You don't have to spend a crap ton of money in a salon, and you can do it yourself. And every time that I use one of these, I just feel like it really improves my hair and also helps me able to style it faster and just looks absolutely stunning. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these kits, what your thoughts are down below. Is it something that you're going to look into? I do have originally, like, my hair has like a one big wave through it. I don't have like really curly hair, so this is just my experience on my hair. If you've had any different experience, please leave it down below and what type of hair type you have. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. I hope that this was helpful. You can like this if it was helpful, and my social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.